If you want to connect your Discord account to Whop, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps on the website so you can link everything properly in just a minute or two. Whether you're joining a community, accessing a product, or setting up your profile for smoother account integration, connecting Discord to Whop is an important step that can save you time later. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Whop and make sure you're on the home feed. This is important because the account settings option will be easier to find from here. Once you're on the home feed, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. After that, you'll see a small gear icon next to your profile name. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings page. Now that you're in your account settings, look for the section called Connected Accounts. This is where Whop lets you manage integrations with different services, including Discord. Click on Connected Accounts to open the list of available account connections. Once you're in the Connected Account section, scroll through the available integrations until you find Discord. When you see it, click the Add Plus icon next to Discord. This tells Whop that you want to begin the linking process with your Discord account. After clicking Add, you'll be redirected to a Discord authorization page. Depending on your browser settings, this may open in a new tab or a new window. If you're not already signed into Discord on that browser, Discord will ask you to log in first. Just enter your Discord details as usual, and continue. Next, you'll see a permissions screen. This is where Discord shows you what access Whop is requesting. Take a moment to review the permissions carefully so you know exactly what you're approving. When everything looks right, click Authorize to complete the connection. Once you authorize it, your Discord account should now be linked to your Whop profile. At that point, you can go back to Whop and confirm that the connection is active in your connected accounts list. If you plan on using Whop communities, gated content, or role-based access, this connection can be really helpful. And that's it. Your Discord is now connected to Whop. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to keep your accounts organized and unlock the features you need. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.